And also emerging from yesterday's Standing Finance Committee, questions about the cut in the budget for the completion of repairs at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James.
1.3 billion was allocated in the budget, and now we see that 254 million has been cut. And the reason here, as with all other reasons, was revised requirement due to reduction of use of goods and services. Now, Minister, we as a country would have thought that despite all the challenges that exist, primarily as a consequence of the COVID-19 pandemic, but because of the COVID-19 pandemic as well, that Cornwall's rehabilitation would not have fallen off track.
Well, this is just a preemptive move, member. If we didn't reallocate it, what would happen, given where we are now, is that the year would end and the money wouldn't be spent. And that would be a worse problem, because you'd have taken up space and denied other areas where you could spend the money. So if we see a project that's not moving in the way...
Technically, the question should be directed at the Ministry of Health and Wellness then, because, they have overall responsibility for the spend. And if there is a slowing down of that spend, and I understand your position from the Ministry of Finance, but I mean, it is really a national concern.
Yes, I believe the Minister will speak to that at some point, but I don't think it's a secret that the project there has been proceeding slower than desirable, partly because as well, so much resources are focused on dealing with the crisis that we have at hand.